Figure of speech. Polysyndeton. Polysyndeton is a figure of speech or a latest device featuring repeated use of many conjunctions and or but in close succession functions. It is used to slow down rhythm of a sentence, create a sense of a piling up or and emotional weight and emphasis to each item in a list. For example, I praise him and I detest him and I admire him and I pity him. He was tired and hungry and angry and silent. He ran and ran and ran until he collapsed. She wanted peace and love and respect and happiness. ଅନେକ ସଂଯୋଗ ଅବୟର ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ବହୁ ସଂଯୋଗ ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ପଦାବଳୀ ଏବଂ ଓ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି। ସେ ହସିଲେ ଓ କାନ୍ଦିଲେ ଓ ଗାଇଲେ। ସେ ବଜାରକୁ ଗଲେ ଆଉ ପରିବା କିଣିଲେ ଆଉ ଫଳ କିଣିଲେ ଆଉ ମାଛ ବି କିଣିଲେ। ନୀଳ ଆକାଶ ଓ ଶ୍ୟାମଳ ବନାନୀ ଓ କଳକଳ ତଟିନୀ ଓ ଧୀର ସମୀରଣ ସବୁ ଆଜି ନିଶ୍ଚଳ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।